Morning, ma'am.
Si Director Henry po, thank you.
Ano si Arvin? Good morning. Nasa, ay ma'am, good morning.
Maybe acknowledge the president.
Especially the BPOs, yung mga American, yung mga foreign companies na mahilig mag-clean up. So thank you for Allegro for representing these companies. And kasama po namin, ang kagawad namin, 4. Mga taga-Talon 4 po, nandito ang Pag-ibig Homes, Happy Villa Subdivision, Talon Village, Veraville Alegria, si Hanok Subdivision, and Angela Village. Palakpakan po natin sila. Document the volume and type of trash collected. The data gathered plays a critical role in shaping waste management policies, improving product packaging, and enhancing environmental awareness in our
picture and yung mga sa labas ng ating The Wave.
Dito. Diyan na siguro.
people gathered to celebrate the ating International Cleanup Day here in Visayas, Barangay. Talaga namang every Saturday we come here with our residents of Las Piñas to appreciate our Las Piñas Paranaque Memorial Park, so they will protect it. But today there are more people because so many people come. I'm very happy. Las Piñas Paranaque, as I said, and everyday work to help preserve be protected. So if they will insist on reclamation in this part of Manila Bay, that will destroy our legal to legal question na to. Bakit mo sisirain yung napasan namin legislation?
Pumunta po kayo sa Saudi, makikita natin yung kulay natin. Parang maliit na lang yung nilalapasan ng tubig, ma'am eh. Pero ma'am, hindi pa sabi parang pinakisip, pero parang may tuloy-tuloy ba?
Kaya tayo, ano kami, alliance. Hindi naman alam na lahat ng MP kung sino kanila. Re-election is yung dalawa. Kami lang. But I'm ending my service.
Sino magpapatuloy, ma'am, sa ano ninyo, sa advocacy po ninyo for the environment?
Sabi for agriculture and environment.